All right, special thanks to this company for sending us their Bluetooth shooting earmuffs. These have Bluetooth 5.0 technology and will protect your ears when you're at the shooting range. Company logo on the top, nothing on the bottom. The side has a little bit of information, so active noise reduction, sound amplification, and there's the dBs and the model number. And then folding design, adjustable headband, widened headband, replaceable ear pads. These are the upgraded Army Greens. So let's open them on up. Nice. They come in a little bag. That's it for the box. So a little audio cable, essentially what it is, a headphone cable. And then a nice instruction guide to tell you how to do everything. You do need 2 AAA batteries. Let's open this on up. Wow, very nice. Take this off. Wow. So they feel nice and rugged. Those are going to be really nice and tight on your ears. Great protection. Looks like you got a little knob here you can do things with. Turn them on and off. Control things. Power button. Very, very nice technology here. It's crazy that they're doing this now, but because if you're at the range now, you can have your music playing while your ears are protected. Company logo there. This is even got their logo on it as well. So that'll do it for these. Thanks again to them for sending these to us to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.